Vybz Kartel. Me no care what the Vendetta fans them want to say. Me no care where them want to do. Me no care how them want to feel about the statement there. Alkaline and Vybz Kartel are not on the same level. They will never be on the same level.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox.
They are scroll and you see me see that brother and me I say, alright. Yeah, what I say, but me no know wrong with them money dog. Like them love attention. You understand? But look at we're going to video people and hear what I say.
Alkaline can never be compared to Vybz Kartel. Me no care what the Vendetta fans them want to say. Me no care where them want to do. Me no care how them want to feel about the statement there. Alkaline and Vybz Kartel are not on the same level. They will never be on the same level. Alkaline is nowhere near. Vybz Kartel is leading Alkaline miles, brother. In terms of creativity, in terms of lyricism, in terms of delivery, expression, in terms of you know, coming out of the box with concepts.
Bro, stop your nice, bro. Only so my time on a run with something with clout, you know, bro. From Alkaline, boss no keep on a dude. I uno compare Alkaline with Cartel, brother. A youth we just boss with there. For a man when I game for about 30 odd years. A uno, bro. Stop make it look like a people a do it. A uno. You understand? If you I found out on a state about your lyricists and all of them look something there and you in your feelings. Bro, found out on no feelings, brother. You understand? Come out on no feelings, dog. Can look forward for the media and chat one bag of nonsense when I make no sense, bro. You see what I'm trying to say? I'll Cartel in the game for years now, brother. I would the Alkaline boss just a little decade, bro. Cartel boss like 20 years, about 10 years before that or so, brother. You understand? So uno keep on bring up this comparison, bro. From Alkaline boss and in the game. The man forward out. Seeing? The man never say nothing about no Cartel. Yo, read this Cartel. Uno keep on ask the man about Cartel. You understand? And I say if him not getting special ratings. Uno. You understand? Alkaline forward us do music. But because uno love man now, uno always bring up Cartel with the youth. Remember Alkaline not too talk, you know. Uno, you know. You understand? You understand? That me I try to tell you, brother.
In terms of, like, I'm not gonna lie, Alkaline is...
People, here man I go switch up him word. Just listen. The man even I go start all beat all Masicka. For sure, you bro. Them man I fall upon the media, bro, and them know say Alkaline is a great artist, you know. Yeah, and them no really have much for second, them know say you talented. But look how man switch up him argument a while ago.
It's a very good artist. Alkaline, for me, Alkaline is a A artist. You see me I say? Because Alkaline master majority of the figure of speech. Then. When Alkaline do music, input effort, you can say input effort in their music. And if you look at Alkaline catalog, you can say, yo, it's a good body of work. Diverse. It's a very diverse body of work. Alkaline touch various topics. You see me I say? Alkaline put in a lot of work. So you can't take that from the youth. When we gonna compare Alkaline to a Vybz Kartel, like people are forget, like me was never a Vybz Kartel fan. You see me I say?
Yo, you say you wasn't a Vybz Kartel fan. Then why if you say you wasn't a Vybz Kartel fan, right? Why you getting your feelings because you maybe hear a person over this or compare Alkaline and Cartel, bro? Why you in your feelings? I understand if you was a Cartel fan, I could understand, but you say you wasn't a Cartel fan. So what the problem, dog? You just state out some great things a while ago with Alkaline. Then you start bring up about the compare thing. Bro, we don't want, dog. You understand? It's like we don't want Alkaline himself to come out and yo say something or what we don't want. You understand? I wouldn't keep on a compare the youth. You see it. But listen what I say, people.
Me was a Bounty Killer fan. You see me I say, and you to love me for Bounty Killer. Vybz Kartel in Alliance, so we rate Vybz Kartel. You see me I say? So me not speak as a diatic Gaza fan or anything like that. So me I say me I speak facts, brother. Facts, this yeah. Me I talk facts. Brother, when I talk about Vybz Kartel, brother.
Yo, bro. The man say a bounty artist. Look what the man called Vybz Kartel name about 5 times, 1 time, brother. Shadow you to the dangerous in the dog. You say you're not a die-hearted Cartel fan, but bro, you wear you so emotional in the words where you say, bro, you even not try and find some words, bro. You're dangerous, youth.
Like, vybzkartel recreate himself over a 20-year span. Like, you talk about vybzkartel from 2000, brother. When vybzkartel bust on the scene with New Millennium, with Wayne Marshall. When vybzkartel say, who them say start well, Cartel. When vybzkartel say, I could drive by or walk by, watch the archive, watch the talk by, isn't me? When time vybzkartel say, when bad man, look man, took man. The vybzkartel come and say, and I say, I'm the girl, them look man. Like, when I go through vybzkartel catalog, it's like 100 different artists. vybzkartel make over 10,000 songs already. And none of the 10,000 songs don't sound alike. Like,
yo, you saw the man stay, dog. Man say Cartel make over 10,000 songs. None of them sound alike. So what you try say? Alkaline make song and them sound alike. I don't know what you try say this. So. You understand? You talk about Cartel. Where a man singing a song of a do, but woman, took man. Bro, yo, the man and say. So you just pick out some song, bro, from 2000 and whatsoever, bro. Brother, with that have to do with comparison, bro. Yeah, cause if you pull up them song there right now to some people say, oh, what that? You understand? Yeah, vybzkartel is a great artist, bro. But who no keep on a compare Alkaline with the man? You understand? Yeah, you hear a man over there, so bro. You forward na your feelings now. I try to explain. I say, yo, this, that, and bro, I tell you we don't need no bro. When we forward out on the feelings, dog. You see it? And just talk music and talk talent. Cause you know what the worst thing? The reason why I don't even compare Alkaline with Cartel because Alkaline is a great artist too. Because when I say Cartel as that type of top artist where Rihanna say, yo, Alkaline come do it. You understand? So that's why I keep on a compare. Because the other rest of them bow to Cartel and Alkaline was the only one where stand him grounds and he might defend him thing. You understand? That me I try say.
From vybzkartel boss, vybzkartel has never, ever, vybzkartel has never fall off from him boss. For over 20 years. Like people, we have to be people, we have to talk facts in a brother. Like it's an emotion we are talking about facts in a brother.
Emotion and crappy attack, brother. So you tell me say bro. So you say Cartel boss 20 years. No. And him never fall off. But you not go say Alkaline fall off. That now make no sense, brother. You understand? Because at the end of the day, you still call Alkaline name. I don't know what I mean by fall off, you know. Yeah, Cartel name in a dancehall or call in a dancehall. Same like Alkaline. From Alkaline boss. Alkaline they right there, so. You understand? Cartel boss him there right there, so. So I don't know what you try say. I understand with other artists. Where you not hear about too much time, but from Alkaline boss still know. Him name a call. Them a talk about him song them. And him leave it in the media. So I don't know what's the point where you're forward from. You understand?
From vybzkartel boss, over the past 20 years, more than 20 years, vybzkartel has never fallen off. And me and one Gaza fan. Me have to talk about facts, man, you. The man put emotion and bias in the thing. We have to talk about facts, brother, because...
But brother, you are talk bias right now too. You are talk bias. You understand?
If you tell a lie, brother, and if you speak off of a biased perspective, brother, it can become reality if you repeat it too much time. We talk facts. From vybzkartel boss over 20 years. vybzkartel will be like the ultimate dancehall artist. When I talk about lyricism, when I talk about creativity, like when I talk about diversity, when I talk about imagery, like using every figure of speech in the English language. vybzkartel use every figure of speech. Come on, brother, we have to be...
Bro, you know no sense, you know, brother. You want to say every figure of speech, brother. Majority of the artists them do that. Alkaline do that. Enough artists do that, brother. We are try. Bro, you say you're not a Gaza fan, but you move like a sheep now. All the way you just state that is a regular thing for artists, bro. You talk about figure of speech and all that. Brother, we are try, say, brother. Much artists who have talent do that. So through a Cartel now, when him do it different. But you say you're not a Gaza fan. Bro, you know, and I say you have Gaza fan out there we talk the truth. You understand? Talk the truth about the artist. But when you have someone just be biased. Nothing wrong with that. But you are say you're not talk bias and you're not Gaza fan array. But bro, the way you talk, brother, it looks so.
Brother, we have to talk facts. This is not emotion, brother. You see me I say? Me could go down to Alkaline now. You can't compare Masicka to Alkaline because Masicka. Alright, let me say this. Respect.
You see me I talk about, bro. I'm going for loud media, brother. Loud media. You understand? Because the fall upon media chat crap, the man left from Cartel and Alkaline now, you know. Him gonna Alkaline and Masicka now. Masicka and Alkaline him a compare now, you know. You understand? I tell you how them stay, you know. And I really Alkaline him really want to talk about, you know, people. A Masicka. Kind of like Wagwan. A Masicka him want to talk about. So look how him a go just start spill out everything now. Just look Wagwan.
Big up all the genocide fans, big up all the vendetta fans. But more want to just listen to what I'm saying. This is not fact. This is not emotion. This is not bias. These are facts, brother. We have to have facts. We have to have facts with proof and evidence, brother.
But bro, if you talk, you just keep on talk about this is facts. This is not emotion. This is facts. But bro, yo, Jano, listen what I want people. Cause that brother, yeah, he come like something wrong with him, you know.
Taking the feelings out of it. Masicka can't compare to Alkaline. Masicka would have beat Alkaline in a certain area of music in terms of Masicka have a better rhyme scheme. You see me I say? Masicka would have a better street cred. Masicka speak to the streets more. When it comes to using figure of speech, when I talk about delivery, when I talk about creativity, brother, when I talk about creativity, when I talk about thinking out of the box, like Masicka's never make me laugh in none of them songs yet, brother. Masicka's never make me laugh because, brother, when I think about it, this is all about entertainment, bro.
Yo, that man say Masicka never make him laugh yet. Me never know say Masicka a comedian. Me never know say Masicka a comedian, dog. So you left from Cartel to Alkaline and then now from Alkaline to Masicka now. Yo, bro, I don't know what kind of... Yo, dog, I don't know where to get in the brain from.
And Alkaline study vybzkartel and Alkaline smart. Alkaline is a very intelligent youth. Alkaline study the music. Alkaline study human nature.
Yo, you might say Alkaline study human nature to vlog. Yo, dog, internet nice, brother. The man I say, you see it? The man just a compare Alkaline. I say, yo, people never compare Alkaline with Cartel, but he might do it. You I say Alkaline as study Cartel, brother. What you mean study, brother? Are two different man, bro. Tell me what Alkaline do in a 2025. Tell me what Alkaline do and Cartel do the same. Tell me. Right now in a 2025. Tell me what them do the same, bro. Are two different man. Cartel in the media every day. Them baby mother, them TikTok, every little thing. Way, brother. You understand? Alkaline in a zone. You know, see mongo time when him forward pan shows and everything. Alkaline not really talk. Cartel is a man where talk him out there in the street, whatsoever. Bro, Jano, bro.
Brother, I can tell a 5 vybzkartel song and make me dead with laugh. Or make me dead with laugh. And you see me? And then we can go to one next vybzkartel and make me angry. I want to rebel. And then we can tell one next cartel song and make me want fuck me girl. Hard.
Yo, brother, you know what happened? Bro, me don't know what Cartel do to them money, you know. Bro, but yo, Cartel turn them money in an AI robot. So, if you think what Cartel say, he look like him will do it. So if Cartel say, him feed the buff, him a go do it. There's so much thing Cartel make you do, bro. You can't do it by yourself. So you tell me, say, every time you feel ray with that woman, a Cartel ever make you do it. Yo, dog. Yo, then you, bro, no vile, dog.
I want next one make love to her. One next one make more all a deep meds. You see me I say Alkaline have the creativity with the brother. Alkaline touch various different subjects. You see me I say so Alkaline would be a better artist for Masicka in that regard. You see me I say? You see someone listen to Masicka and they might say, yo, pull it up back. No, brother, you don't have to pull it up. You don't have to pull it up, brother. Because the next Masicka will be the same concept, the same song, the same flow. Basically the same song. So you don't have to pull up a Masicka. When I play Masicka, you just make it play, brother. Because every song I see, you don't have to pull up none. When I play Alkaline, brother, you have to pull it up. When I play Cartel, you have to pull it up, brother. Because every song different, my friend. You see me I say?
People, you see him a talking about him not realize him a contradict everything when him against him keep on a come say, him a say Alkaline and Cartel I do the same thing, the same versatility and everything. But him a say him no want nobody compare Alkaline and Cartel while him a compare them. Tell me say make this make sense. Jaja.
Point to note, Masicka is an artist like this way. As I say, where I give Masicka the edge over Alkaline is rhyme scheme, and street credibility. Masicka have a better edge this one. When it comes to creativity, brother, if the
Masicka have street credibility. Brother, me not understand what you talk about, brother. Masicka nah full out the show them what Alkaline a full out, bro. What you talk about? What you mean by street credibility? Me not understand what you try to say, brother. Me don't know where yeah, me understand with the rhyming thing. Him love a rhyme. Alkaline not do that. Alkaline deal with metaphors and them thing there. You understand? Alliteration and all of them things. So we understand that. But when you go say street cred, no bro. You go there so wrong, brother. Because at the end of the day, remember when Ray them say Masicka this Cartel on stage with Jashi. Remember Alkaline, the man them use and beat Masicka, you know. And tell him say move for me so you can't you're coward. Remember says the whole streets have Masicka as coward, you know. And have Alkaline as the brave one. So I don't know what you talk about street cred, brother. Alkaline have more street cred than Masicka. You wrong there, so dog.
like this from my perspective, if Masicka and Alkaline for clash right now, Masicka can't win. Masicka can't win. Cannot win because Alkaline is a fucking clown. Alkaline is gonna make you laugh off of Masicka, brother. And when it come down to it, that it come down to who can be funnier, who can make people laugh off of who more. Brother, Masicka we disgrace you. I mean, Alkaline we disgrace you because there is nothing that he won't say. Masicka have things where him now go say because I'm street credibility and things where him now go do because of street credibility. Alkaline no give a fuck about nothing. He might go talk something like look when Alkaline a clash. You see me I say and him learn this from Cartel. One time Alkaline say, me go Eddie Garrison, still have me watch on my chain. Enough man no know say yo. I kill him at this, you know. Because when killer get robbed, man take killer watch and killer chain. You see me I say? Enough man.
What you mean by him learn this from Cartel and him sing that song at watching? We are talking about, brother. See, Alkaline sing about a song about a man get robbed with chain. Him learn that from Cartel? So you tell me say everything what Alkaline I see him see through Cartel site? Me not understand, brother. What you talking about? That don't make no sense, brother.
I know that. But Alkaline at this saying I want need. Alkaline at this saying I want need to your brother where only you know and only who. Who know and who know don't know and who don't know. Same thing with because
Yo, right now I'm talk about laughing stock. Right now I laugh off of you right now, brother. I laugh off of you. Cause you don't have be a crap your chat.
tell him Cartel say, you look say me don't get back the hammer yet. Enough man no know, you know. So you kill him attack, you know. So as so brother, isn't it? The man they can be subliminal with it, bro.
Brother, so we hammer. So you say Alkaline take that from vybzkartel. So we hammer have to do with man get robbed with chain. Me not yo, channel dog. Them youth yeah.
The man don't have to be direct. The man they can make a hit song out of this song. And people are sing 3 people cannot sing one song and 3 different songs them are sing. That's the level where Masicka and vybzkartel, where Alkaline and vybzkartel different. Like me can't listen to a chronicle, brother. Me can't.
Yo, people. This a man first come out and say you can't compare Alkaline with vybzkartel. Then him same one day I compare Alkaline and vybzkartel. Yo, dog, man, tell them money, bro. But that's the thing I say, people. Sometimes I have to review them money and make people know say, yo, the things where them I say I go against them still end up come and do it. Same like the people them where them say I do it. But people big up on yourself when I don't know media facts and respect for the support. Remember if you like, share and subscribe to people. Yeah man, respect. You see me? That is it.